Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to, man, I don't know what I want to do. I just want to get on here and look at the market. Man, look at Bitcoin. I'm trying to find a site that actually has Bitcoin prices, Bitcoin price in real time, because it's just crazy. It says 1694. 1694. Bitcoin up 2K a day as the market nears 400 billion. Crazy. Steam. IOTA overtakes Ripple. Wow, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's go to coin market. Let's see what they say. Alright, so they say 1657. Here, okay, 1657. Let's coin market. Coin market. Who else has Bitcoin price chart? So the world index says it is 15,074. So let's go see back over here. Crazy the difference in the prices. Let me go check Japan Bitcoin price. Coin Gecko. They show it in yen. They show it in yen. They don't show it in USD dollars because I don't know what the comparison is. But I'm going to just take this right here as a basis. I'm going to go with coin market cap. As you guys can see, it is crazy, and let's go look at all the other ones in the market. Bitcoin is the only one winning. BitConnect going crazy. BitConnect is connected to Bitcoin, so doing really well with BitConnect. When you get signed up with BitConnect, hey, I'll put my link out there for you guys. Get you started. $100. You can buy the coin and hold it if you want. That's good strategy too. But you can actually lend it on their lending platform, which is a great concept. Q2. Still doing. Stratus is back in the house. Stratus. Let me say it's down $2. It had hit $10 at one time. I believe it was close to $10. Really, everybody is bleeding out here. There's not too many winners out there. The biggest winner is the big man himself, or female, the girl, whatever you want to call it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 400 billion. 400 billion. We're over 400 billion. 64% dominance. I mean, at one time I seen it was like 40-something%, and that was like maybe, I'll say it was maybe 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Let's see. Percentage. Took a dip. 38%. Now it's 50. Took a dip right there. And it was up here at 85%. That was in January. And then it started to drop. Not everybody was leaving Bitcoin, going to the altcoins. Now everybody's coming back. Then they took a little dip, just a little dip. Now it shot back up. Capitalization dominance. There you go. Bitcoin is the dominator. 64%. 65% dominance. That's crazy. That's the reason why you see all the altcoins turning red, because people are pulling their money out and going back to Bitcoin. Going back to their first love. Going back to the first love. It's nothing like a rekindled relationship. Start all over again. Hey. And hash flare is just going crazy for me. Let me see if I can pull up some of my charts. Files. Open file. Let me see if I can pull up some of these charts. I want to show you guys this. This is hash flare on the 22nd. Okay. It was at 42,000 on the 22nd. Now, let me open up this one. This was hash flare on the 29th. It was 59,000. Okay. Reason why is because when Bitcoin goes up, it goes up. And now I wasn't withdrawing much here, and right there, I just started to do a couple withdrawals. So, and you start to see how many coins I have kind of go down. But the price hasn't went down. The price is growing faster than what I'm pulling out. It's crazy. So let me go back here and open up this. That was the 29th. Then the next one was December 6th. I think it was. Which one? Hold up. That one was at 9:30 a.m. This one was at, 3 a.m. This was at that. Okay, so this one right here was the next as you can see, 64K. So now it went up 64K on that one. So then, I mean, it just keeps going up and up and up. As Bitcoin goes up, it's going up. And this is what you want to do. You guys want to get into Hashflare and get you amount of money. You can start out with any amount of money and let it grow for you passively. And open up this one. That was a 64. This should be the next one. Okay, 66. That happened the same day. The same day. 66. Okay. Then, I mean, it just keeps going. This was all in one day. And open file. Okay, that was that one. This is the last one, I believe. Okay, 68. That was the last one. I got 3 increases on the 6. 3 increases on the 6. And that one was 68. Now, let me show you today. Today is 72. 72. How many people you know? Now, this is just one out of many. I try to teach people, get 5 different legs to build your financial portfolio on. And what I'm going to show you is passively, 5 or 6. How many? I like to have maybe 10. Diversification. But, whatever. At least 5. Have them working for you so you can make, $1,000 a day. However, $2,000 a day. If it's not but $500 a day. When you're making $100 off of each one of them a day. Then now, how much do you make on your job a day? How much do you make doing whatever you are doing a day? If we can show you these principles and put those in place, it's not going to take you from doing what you're doing. It's going to allow you to do it more cheerfully, more happy, or happier, whichever one is better and correct English, That's what you want to do. So, I'm going to show you. Get in contact with me. Get on my YouTube channel, Opportunity Launch Team YouTube channel, Facebook, Crypto Wealth Superstars. My Facebook personal page is Sam Warren's Corner. Hit me up, inbox me. The cell phone number, contact phone number, 941-315-8414. Hit me up anytime. Let's talk crypto. This is what I do on a regular. So I'm just streaming live here. Doing this, showing Hashflare. I mean, there's Yoda.biz that's even more lucrative than Hashflare. But I like the simplicity of Hashflare. Hashflare, what it is a company that they have mining equipment. And they partner with you and allow you to purchase the hash power. The hash power is the power that runs the machines. So they have the machines and you have the power. It's a perfect combination. Perfect combination. So they're on the maintenance right now. The site is on the maintenance. But let's look them up on Facebook. Let's see what they're doing on Facebook. Facebook, we're looking for Hashflare. Hashflare IO. $2K, $23K, Dale Bloomer. So this, let's see, this must be the official page. Let's see. official page? Let's see. It says sign up. So if it says sign up, that's probably not the official page. That's probably not the official page. Let's go here. Okay, learn more. Now that's the official page. As you can see, the inbox thing came up right here. So 2K a day, nearing $1 billion, cloud mining. Let's see what this is. This might not be the official page either. I don't know. That takes you to the site, but the site is down for maintenance. Hash flare. I don't know why they would have the digital kitty thing on there. Clock. They're just putting it for content. Nah, I think this might be somebody else's page. It might be somebody else's page. This one says sign up. Let's see if we can Google it. Let's see if we can Google hash. Hey, sometimes you can Google things. Flare official Facebook. Is that one word? Fan page. Rock it like that. It says it's this, but I think if that might be getting us, it says sign up. Why would the company have direct sign up? I don't know. That might be it. That might be it. But anyway, I want to show you guys what they're doing on their social media, but I don't trust it until the site comes back up and I can go and get the exact page. Right now it's down. It's online, but under maintenance. Hash flare is currently undergoing maintenance optimized. They do this on a regular too, so that ain't no big deal. But because I just showed you guys, I was on the site and showed you exactly what it was doing. All right, World Coin Index still has it at 15,000. And let's go see what coin market cap at 16,575. Let's see if it grew a little bit. It done dropped. It done dropped. It dropped. All right. He said, Sam, why are you getting excited about a drop? Because that means more people can jump in. More people can get on. That means you can invest and ride it back up again. Because look, this time tomorrow, it'll be hitting 18,000. 18,000, they're saying that it's growing in 2K a day. 2K a day will keep the doctor away. Will keep poverty away. It will keep financial disparity away. It will keep the bill collectors away. 2K a day will keep the bill collectors away. Wouldn't you guys want to have 2K a day? That's crazy. That's crazy. Historical data. Bitcoin. December, let's say the 6th. Let's go to November 6th. November 7th is good enough. It opened at 7,000. And closed at 14,000 yesterday. Closed, that's 17 to 14. 7 to 14. That's double. Double in a month. Then it went up again another 14, went up another 2K in a day. From the 6th to the 7th, which is today. Went up another 2K. 2K a day. Bitcoin. Crazy. It's crazy. Look, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment on this video stream. I'm just looking at this market cap. I mean, I remember at one time it was like 200 billion. And I'm like, okay, we're moving. We're making some strides. And then in a matter of a month, it's doubled. Let's go take a look at that market cap global charts. Uh, 56.39%. Percentage of market cap. Oh, that's the dominance charts. Total market cap. Look, it was at October, November. It was at 70 billion. Then 70. Let's go November 7. Right around there. It was at 81. November 8th, it was at 81 billion. Then a month later, I can't get to that peak. I'm gonna get to that peak. $158 billion, December 6th. Global charts. Here we go. Global charts, market cap. Let's go November 6th. It was at 195 billion on the global charts. And it went up 3 times. Yeah. Well, 195 went up almost 2 times. 195. Yeah, 2 times. 2.5 times. 195. 400 billion. Ooh. Got that on my recording. I said I got that on my recording. And we do not promote any pornographic scenes. This is my disclaimer. Alright, so that's what's up. That's what's up. ICOs has been hot right now. I'm telling you, it's not going to last long. With what Bitcoin's doing, the game is going to change, and it's going to change drastically. I'm getting scared now, because not scared because I think we're doing anything illegal, but because now my secret is out, of making some fast income effortlessly. It's out, and everybody's going to be on it. Everybody, even the governments, they are looking at Bitcoin. They're talking about Bitcoin, just like we're talking about Bitcoin. Everywhere you go, there's talk about Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. Google. Trends. That's where you go to see what's going on. Bitcoin number 3, future contract. There it is, number 3. Cryptocurrency future contract, Chicago Board Exchange. Let's see what's going on right here. Binance IOTA price crypto kitty. There you go. So if you guys want to know what's a good buy, what's a good investment, what's good, I'm not a financial advisor, but according to Google, what's happening is IOTA. People want to know. People want to know who you are, where you come from. So we tell them, hey, Bitcoin future is all mapped out. Let's take a look at that. Bloomberg 1 hour ago. Coming to officially regulate market near you this month. Bitcoin futures. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bitcoin futures. New high. Bitcoin is pushing volatility even higher. And the CME, I think, the ones that are, group, December 18th. It's coming. The biggest futures exchange. Oh, what is that going to do to Bitcoin? It's going to drive the price. So those that have not should have some. And those that have some should have more. Get your wallets right. Get your wallets right. Get it high and tight. Get it right. Get it tight. Get you some Bitcoin. Hey, I want to appreciate you guys. Those people that watched this, that clicked on that button. If you haven't been to our channel and you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell over there and lock it in so you can get notifications. A lot of ICOs, different things like that I'm starting to put up. I'm trying to just make this, trying to grow the channel. So what I need is your support. Your support to try to get this out there. I think we have some information that we can really be a valuable part of the industry and put out some good stuff. So just trying to get this thing organized. There's a lot of work to do. I respect the YouTubers and what they do. It's a daily grind. It doesn't come easy, and it's something that I think everybody, not saying everybody should try to do it, but everybody that is doing it, my hat's off to you, because it's work. It's not an easy thing to get this stuff out here and keep informed, keep in front of your audience. It's some work, so I applaud you for whatever you're doing. In that saying, look, I want to be just like you. I want to be just like you. So put me in the game, coach. Put me in the game, coach. Let's see if I can pull up the stream and see what we looking like. See if we really doing something on here. YouTube. Go to my channel. Go to my channel. Go to my channel. There it is. Let's see what we're doing on Facebook. Oh, let me go back to my Google Trends. Google Trends. Google Trends. Google Trends. Let me go back to my Google Trends. Let's see what I had going on over there. Ooh. Dropped down to number 7. It was number 3. It's all good. Some new, updated, fresh stuff came out. Bitcoin surges past 1,500 in an hour, in 12 hours, climbing 2K in 12 hours. 2K in 12 hours. Wow. Bitcoin soars past 1,500 mark. Let's go. Bloomberg.
What is the underpinning market structure that makes bid on Bitcoin?
Well, I'm afraid that this is irrational exuberance. This is, as Greenspan's famous phrase. Of course, he then found that the market kept on going up after he said it should stop. But this is a very, very unusual market. This shows we're not in a normal.
He don't know what he's talking about.
Market that
he's sweating. Look at his head.
Even in the biggest rises, you've got some people trading in and out. So we're in very unusual territory here. And I'm not sure, frankly. I mean, it's a great chart, Tom, but I'm not sure that normal rational market analysis can really illuminate this terribly well.
Sir Howard Davis, you're the most qualified person in the world to talk about derivatives in Wall Street.
You see his mouth?
FSA. You made regulation work in the United Kingdom. Should CME and the CBOE, should the American derivatives market make a formal market in this thing that we're seeing on this chart right now?
I think I would counsel them not to at this point. Because I'm not quite sure that they know enough about what the underlying is, about the nature of the supply and demand of the underlying asset. So I think it would be a very risky move in reputational terms for them to go in that direction now.
But actually, if there are futures, and we're understanding that, for example, the CFTC are looking at stress tests, limits, and actually a lot of the clearing before these contracts are given the green light. But could futures put an end to Bitcoin if it doesn't go well?
I suppose it could, but I just don't know how you would price a future at this point. I mean, maybe there's someone smart enough to do it, but the normal way in which you price a future, I think, would be very, very difficult to adapt to this instrument.
How do you see blockchain developing? And this was one of your earlier points,
yes.
Is that if nothing happens with Bitcoin, then actually the underlying technology could be used in other ways.
Yeah, no, I think blockchain is much more interesting. I mean, again, some banks and ours as well, a bit cautious about the security of it. But I do think that the idea of distributed ledger, which makes transactions and payment systems much cheaper and faster in real time, is a good one. So blockchain, I think, has got life in it.
Yeah. Crazy. That's awesome. What did you guys get out of that? You see, he was confused. He didn't know what was going on. That's mainstream. Interest over time. Let's go and see what they're saying about Bitcoin. BIT. Do. Took a little dip right there. The big countries is South Africa, Nigeria, Slovenia, Australia, Guyana. Related topics is IOTA, fork, software development, Ripple payment protocol, Luno, don't know what that is, BitConnect, Bitcoin Cash, Cash 24/7, Bitcoin Cash prices, those related queries, rides, Bitcoin compared to USD. Oh, IOTA had a peak up. It's crazy. Alright. So anyway, you guys go ahead and like and comment. Leave a comment on this if you want to see me cover some things about Bitcoin. If you have some questions about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, some things you want to talk about, you can find me live or direct in my Facebook account, which is Sanwarren's Corner. Sanwarren's Corner, SANWARRENS Corner, CORNER, and you'll find me there. Or you can contact me direct, 941-315-8414. Make sure you subscribe in our channel here at Opportunity Launch Team. We're all about that team working together. And also have a Facebook interest group, which is Crypto Wealth Superstars. Crypto Wealth Superstars. That's where you're gonna find a bunch of people together. I go to my Facebook. Facebook. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. And here is my Facebook. My last post was on Electroneum. How to purchase it on Cryptopia. For those people that have purchased Electroneum and you know what's going on with Electroneum and you want to get on the exchange and try your hand and purchase a little bit while it's at a good price, then there you go. Let's see what the price of ETN is right now. It's still holding at 8 cents. It dropped a little. It was on its way to 12, and then it started to drop down. So for those people, buy on the dips. When you with the rule, buy on the dip. Dip, baby. Come on, dip. So that's what you want to do. You want to buy on a dip right here. So there is a dip. Nice little dip. So you can get in there on Cryptopia. If you want to get signed up, they do have affiliate program. So I will put the link to Cryptopia for you guys to go ahead and get signed up. Make sure you check out that video. I'll show you how to exactly buy. And you can use the principles to buying any coin. Once you watch that video, you can buy any coin on Cryptopia and the other markets the same way. Pretty much work the same way. So get on there. 8 cents. That's a good price. That's a good price. I think it's going to go even higher. And I talked a little bit about IOTA, how it was growing. Get you some IOTA. Check it out. Look at it. Matter of fact, let's go look at IOTA. IOTA. It's down 12%. Because Bitcoin is rising, a lot of these altcoins are pulling back. As you can see, it was going up on a nice little run. All the way up to the top. It was about $5.34. Now it's done dropped down, and it's dropped down to about $3.65. So, $3.65 IOTA. Let's go to their website. Let's see what the economy of things. IOTA. the backbone of IoT. They got a nice website. The website is awesome. As the Internet of Things is expanding, you need to interoperability and the sharing of resources become a necessary. IOTA enables companies to explore new business-to-business models and making every technical resource a potential service to be traded on an open market in real time with no fees. No fees. Did they say no fees? It's crazy. They said no fees. Now that right there is off the chain. No fees. So that I can see that can be a big game changer for people. So I see the reason why so many people are attracted to IOTA. But at that price, it's just going to get better. I will get some IOTA. I do have some IOTA. Let me see something real quick. I want to check on this one ICO. Legends ICO. I tried to get into Legend ICO and it has been very hard. Haven't been able to get no input specified. Can't get it if the site is down. If they won't let me access it, what's up? Yeah, that sucks. That sucks. No IOTA. That was I'll show you these pictures. Take those down. Man, look at Bitcoin. I wish I had more money in it. A little around than what I put in my account has 200 plus. Yes. Everybody wish they had more money to put in Bitcoin. That's why people are trying to get it. They're trying to put their money in fast. Trying to put their money in fast so they can make that money, get that increase. But look, like I said, putting your money in Bitcoin is good, but you need, if you only have a little bit of money, then you need to grow that little bit of money. So there's things that you can do to grow the little bit that you do have. So when you can come back later on and put more into Bitcoin. So if you could earn faster, then you can get more Bitcoin. So that's what we want to show you how to do. Show you how to earn a little bit and how to flip them coins. Flip them coins. That's what we want to teach you how to do, how to flip them coins. And you can do that, as you can see with Hashflare. You could just start off with a little bit. You don't have to start off with a lot. Or let me show you another program. Yoda.biz. Yoda.biz is a good one. And there are some other cloud mining programs. This is not cloud mining. Hashflare is cloud mining. Yoda is just arbitrage investment. Change it to English. This is a Japanese site, Korean, whatever, Asian site. So it has a lot of Asian interface, but you can select English. English. I don't want to go to market. I want to go here to this calculator. Oh, that ain't my account. That's another account. I want to go to this calculator right here. So, as you can see, you could put $100 in. This is an investment calculator for Yoda. You can put $100 in, and you can go with the quick start. You're going to get paid 1.5%, and that's a day. Or you can go with the SIA, which is 1.8. The minimum is $300. And let me go back to the quick start. The minimum is $35, and then the maximum is $299. Once you hit the maximum, then you move into this one here, which is 1.8% and $300. Now that's good. 1.8%. I mean, where are you going to get that at? Daily. Deposit period not limited. Profit withdrawal at any time. Deposit withdrawal upon request less the interest. I mean, this is good. This is real good. Shan, 2.2%. Deposit period not limited. Profit withdrawal at any time. Deposit withdrawal upon request less interest. I mean, you have total control. You have total control, so you can get your money out, in and out anytime you want. If you don't feel comfortable, you could snag it and drag it, go and bag it, move it to another location. But like I said, this really gives you an opportunity to grow what you got, and then move it, have you a lump sum where you could put it into, diversify. 132 a day, $660 per week, $209 a month. You can buy more Bitcoin. Or you can go up here to the 2.5% a day. 2.5% a day. And you're looking at minimum 20. And oh, I got James calling me. Hold on. Send message. Call you in 5 minutes. He wanted to tell me about that Minex coin, I'm sure. But then the hand 3.3%, and you guys can read the chart. Here it is, 70,000 minimum, and then you have the big boy, the big dog, 50,000 minimum, and max 250,000, and you can make on this 17,500 per day, $87,500 per week, and $385 per month. $385,000 per month. And this is a reputable company, been around in the area for a while. I think about 2 or 3 years they've been on the scene, doing what they do, and it's just crazy. So this is 1-2 programs, and I'm going to show you guys some more. I'll share with you guys more, but these are the 2 big ones that's really bringing back big return passively for me, earning me Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis, more and more, helping me increase my bottom line. So this is something that I want to share with you guys, along with the ICO strategies. I have some ICO strategies and some different lending platforms that I'm working with, getting 10x, 50x on whatever you start with. So that's something that I want to show you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the button, check us out on Facebook, Crypto Wealth Superstars. Connect with me, San Juan, at San Juan's Corner, and make sure you share it. Whatever information you get, make sure you share it. Whatever you like on here, and if you like any information on here, even if you don't, just share the video out there. Send it to someone that you know, and maybe they'll take interest in what we're doing over here. If not, just do it to help me grow this channel, because this is what I want to do. I want to help more people, and this is what I see this as a vehicle to use to really get information out there. Ultimately, having my own broadcast show, radio show, where I can come on and talk to people live and ask questions, that would be nice. Or if I could do a little hotline answering on here, I might need to look into that, so we can get your questions live, or you can call in and we can get your questions or concerns or dislikes live on the channel. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna stop it right here, and we'll see you on the next live feed.